To follow our breaking news about all 7 defendants who were the occupiers in the Malheur National Wildlife Refuge takeover from earlier this year have all been found not guilty on the several charges that they face.
Let's go right down to the federal courthouse just a few blocks from here where our Andrew Dimbert is standing by live. Andrew, this is absolutely stunning development.
Yeah, and it's an emotional scene here. We've heard from some of those 7 defendants that you mentioned. We heard from Neil Wampler, Jeff Banta, Shauna Cox. Again, all 7 defendants found not guilty on all the major charges, which is the count 1, conspiring to impede federal officers from doing their job, and count 2, of possession of a firearm on federal property. Now, there is still one charge that's in question. It's for Ryan Bundy, and it has to do with damaging federal property. But that's a minor charge, all things considered. Really, everyone here was acquitted. Now, we have Shauna Cox right here. We're going to get this mic over to her and see what she has to say on her acquittal.
I don't even know their whole story, but I feel for them because we've been there. We've seen that. That happened in Nevada. They tase people and they beat them up for taking pictures with a camera. I mean, why am I in jail because I took a picture?
Okay, and so what she's talking about right now is we got several reports that after those acquittals came out, Marcus Mumford, Ammon Bundy's attorney, went up to Judge Anna Brown because remember that the Bundys are still going to be extradited to Nevada for some other charges similar to a different standoff. And when he went up to approach Judge Anna Brown, we got multiple reports here that he was taken down and even tased. Now, we weren't able to confirm the tase part, although several witnesses in the courtroom, including reporters, have said that and that he was attacked. And that's what she was talking about right there. And we're going to come over here and see some other occupiers. We've got Neil Wampler here as well. We won't get into their interview. Who else we got here? Jeff Banta. I believe he left. He said his first thing he wanted to do was go get a quick meal and then go home and get right to work. It's clearly an emotional day. We've had protesters across the street throughout this entire trial, and they were just screaming free. There were tears, American flags, mini pocket constitutions. Everyone here that was a sympathizer with the standoff is just in jubilation. Again, all 7 defendants found not guilty on all major charges. Now, for now, we'll send it back to you in the studio.
Andrew, you know, I'm just trying to think of in my career, 25 years of covering court cases, I think this is the 3rd time that I have been shocked by a verdict. It was not at all what I expected to happen. That's got to be.
Yeah, and you know, Dan, not to cut you off there, but we talked to one of the attorneys, a couple of the attorneys for the defendants, and they said that basically, you know, the federal government, their charge was a little bit too ambitious. The reason that the jurors found all of these defendants not guilty is not that they don't think that they did anything, that they didn't do anything wrong. It's more that they didn't think that they went there to conspire to stop federal workers like biologists on the refuge from doing their job, and ultimately the lawyers here think that's why they all got off.
Right, you know, I've actually been the foreman of a jury before, and we convicted the person that we were deliberating over. All the jurors, though, felt that the prosecutors had overcharged the case, so I know exactly what you're talking about. And so that is an interesting dynamic to think about, because maybe the jurors just thought that, well, they shouldn't have done these things, but they weren't guilty of these such severe charges. Fascinating. Hopefully we'll get to talk to some of the jurors. They can remain anonymous, I believe, if they choose to, or they can come forward. It'll be fascinating to see what happens.
Yeah. Thank you for those updates, Andrew. I know you'll continue to stay on scene there and gather some information. We will, of course, have another update coming up on KOIN 6 News at 5 o'clock.